April, May, June, July, August,
Madali amo.
September, October, November, December.
Ano may ato amo.
Let's exercise.
Tayo pa po ni Daddy Ray. Pagkita kami, be.
Snowing. Whoa. February. Love, love, love.
Sarang siya. Sir!
March. Welcome spring. April. Pouring rain.
Naparaganahan na magkaon. Kaya
May. The flowers are in bloom. June. Month cheer. July. 4th of July. Independence Day. August. We love the sunny weather. September. Autumn. Back to school. October. It's pumpkin moon and Halloween soon. November. Start falling.
Hi, be. Hi.
Here.
Hi.
December.
Naongga.
Cookies and candy. Maybe some pumpkin too. Ho, ho, ho. Very good.
Di, mami.
January, March, April, May,
Oh.
June, July, August,
Pilo si Liyog.
September,
Oh.
October,
Lagi
November,
una sila na agad.
Nangkot mo?
Di na, madung mo
Ha?
sa telepon.
Nangkot mo?
Ako ra ka nag-ulan man nga ganiha din he. Dodo matulog ra.
Diba na eh?
Huh? Huh?
Soy, nag-ampol si Daddy, Soy.
Oh.
Amto. Oh. Higit sabaw, higit sabaw, higit sabaw.
Want to go outside and play. Rain, rain, go away.
Lagi, nagdagan